What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name's Christiana and this is my YouTube channel. If this is not your first time, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me, as well as me trying out a couple of methods that I have learned recently from watching other people's videos on how to make my videos look better, as far as like videos on my phone. Where I know nothing about makeup. I am not part of that percentage of YouTube of females where we're all about makeup. That's not me, so bear with me through this video. I'm just doing my makeup to try out this method that I learned, which really doesn't make any sense if you're not wearing makeup, so that's why I'm doing my makeup first. And I'm literally not going anywhere today, so I'm getting ready to go nowhere. This is just for this video for entertainment purposes, so sit back and enjoy and stay tuned. So right now the only thing I have on my face is I cleaned my face and I used my Clinique moisturizer that I got from Ulta in a vlog that I did, which actually I did that vlog and I never posted it, so you wouldn't know what I'm talking about. But I did a vlog, which I'm probably not going to post, where I bought that moisturizer. It works pretty good. Not my favorite thing in the world, but it gets the job done. So I'm just going to start doing my makeup. Okay, so for my face, I just use the Fit Me foundation in Dewy Smooth in the color 120. Next, I go in with Smashbox Studio Skin. I don't know why, but it smells like strong right now. I think it's my beauty blender. It smells like really strong. And this foundation actually has more of like a matte finish, so it's not my favorite. But I haven't gotten a new one yet, so I'm stuck using this. So before I do anything else with my face, I'm gonna put on eyeshadow because I don't want to like get the eyeshadow down on my cheeks. And the palette I'm gonna be using is this palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, which if you know me and you've seen my channel, you know this is the only palette I own because my cousin, who's a makeup artist, bought it for me. I'm not good at doing eyeshadow because I'm really not good at makeup, but I'm gonna have to try and make something work with all these colors. I'm probably gonna play it safe and use like some of these. I don't want to do nothing like too crazy because I'm not an advanced person, if you get what I'm saying. Next, I think I'm gonna do this color. Oh my god. But you know, I feel like if you just put on eyeshadow or whatever and like add some sparkles and then like add lashes, it's gonna look okay, like either way. Gold sparkles on top, because you can't go wrong with the gold sparkles, you know. Alright. Now I think I just need to blend it out, add lashes and a little eyeliner, my eyebrows. It'll be good to go. Just bear with me. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow. You know what it looks like. And I use a toothbrush to brush my hairs, because who needs a spoolies are boring. Gotta do something crazy like use a toothbrush. And I whip this toothbrush out in public all the time. And every time people see me like whip out a toothbrush and then start doing my eyebrows, or whip out a toothbrush and start doing my edges, they be looking at me like and I'm like, obviously it's a toothbrush like specifically for my eyebrows or edges. It's not like I use it for my mouth too, like come on. Now I'm in a love-hate relationship with my eyebrows. I love this one and I hate this one. This one I have like bald spots up here. This one is like nice, it's full. This one is like traumatized from my childhood treatment and it like doesn't act right. Now I'm gonna go in with my Pro Conceal and like hide all the mistakes I just did. All right, so now I'm gonna just put the lashes on because lashes make everything look better. So I'm gonna put the lashes on, and then I'm gonna like see what I can do to like help all this. So another thing that I learned from the videos I was talking about earlier is to paint your eyeliner on first and let it get tacky, and then just pop the eyelash on top. So I'm gonna paint eyeliner glue on. Gotta let it get tacky. I'm gonna be using these eyelashes. I don't remember where they're from, but I get all my eyelashes from the Beatsbydeb store, so. Okay, that surprisingly, well, not surprisingly, because it sounded smart. That really worked like really well. Like it really just popped on like so easily. Okay. So now both my eyelashes are on and ready to go. See, it's looking better already. Like now I'm just gonna add a little bit more eyeshadow to like make it more dramatic looking. Yo, my camera cries wolf. Like my camera be like, I'm dying, flashing, camera's dying, right? Plug it in to the charger, take it off the charger, because I know it be lying. I put it back in the camera, I'm at 50%. Like, no, I'm not here. But anyway, while my camera was being stupid and charging, I went ahead and I added eyeliner. And I blended out the eyeshadow more, and I also added more gold glitter. So actually, it looks pretty good for an amateur. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer to brighten up my face. I'm gonna add highlight, and I'm gonna do some on my lips, and then I'm gonna do my hair. I got up for 2 seconds and I come back and my camera is now beeping that my card is full. So I had to switch cards. So now you're on a new card, welcome. We're trying to be extra today. So. And my camera says it's about to die again. Okay, I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit in the freaking charger and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back again. My camera has charged. So, as I was saying, I did eyeliner, mascara, my eyeshadows together. I put on the lipstick or whatever. It looks okay. I'm not like a huge fan, but now I'm just gonna do my hair. So I straightened it, as you can see. I'm not sure what to do with it because I don't really know how to deal with straight hair. Like, and I hate this. I hate this like black at the top. I need to do my roots. But I'm actually trying to decide if I'm gonna stay blonde or just go all dark. The ultimate question of my life. Staying blonde or going dark. Because I feel like I always want whichever one I don't currently have. Okay, so my look is pretty much done. I did as much as I possibly could with the makeup and my hair. I'm not like a super girly girl who's into all that, as you can see. And if you're new to my channel, I'm not a girly girl who's into makeup or hair or anything like that. Like, I like natural, like curly hair stuff, but like straightening my hair, all that, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. And now I'm going to switch to screen recording on my phone to show you guys the video method that I'm talking about. And this is the video method that makeup artists use for their makeup. If you ever notice, makeup artists get these really good videos of their clients and like their makeup looks so shimmery, but it looks like it's dark in the room, but like at the same time you can really see their makeup. And I always wondered, how do they do that? And my cousin Desiree, she's a makeup artist, and I do her videos for her Instagram. And I did a video of her doing makeup on my friend one time, and we were trying to figure out how to get that look for a video, and we could not figure out like how they do it. And I finally saw this video on someone's Instagram of how you do it, and I never would have thought of this. I didn't even know you could do this in your phone. And if you don't know about this, I'm about to show you right now. And now like I finally understand it and I can do it myself. So I'm gonna go ahead to my phone and show you guys that right now.
On how makeup artists that y'all love be getting those videos that look so cool and like low light. You see that yellow box, right? You want to tap on your screen. Make sure the flash is on. You want to tap on your screen where your face is. I use my back camera, never my front camera, only the back camera. Tap on your screen and see that little sun. Drag it down if you want it deeper light, and then up if you want something lighter and brighter. And literally just adjust your lighting. That's literally it. Like, adjust it however you want. Obviously, I can't see what I look like right now, but I done this enough to know. Like, I don't need to see the camera or nothing. To lock the lighting so it doesn't keep changing whenever you turn your camera or something, you just hold down on the yellow box, and as you can see, it says AE/AF lock. So it's not gonna adjust anymore after that. It pops everything, your highlight, your features, your brows, your lace, everything. And these are my video results.
Okay, so this is really hard because I'm looking at myself in my mirror at my phone. All right, so I have my thing together. Obviously, it looks weird. I'm doing right now what I just showed you. I'm locking the sun thing and I'm turning it down. So here it is down. Okay, so I turn it down a little bit and you can just kind of see like, I don't know if you can see it, but like I can see it. If you turn down the sun, it just makes the makeup look more like how all those other videos on Instagram are. Now, mind you, I don't have one like powder, setting spray, all that. Like I said, am not makeup experienced, but this video is just for the video purposes of this. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, that it wasn't too painful to see me struggle with the makeup. Like I said, I do not do makeup. It's not my thing. I did it for the sake of this video, and now I'm about to literally go wipe it all off so I can go to work and not go to work looking like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it's helpful for you. Leave down in the comments below if you know any other tips, tricks, or anything you can do with video as far as your iPhone. And anything else you'd like to see from me as far as like videos or help with like filming things or like different settings you can use. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Follow me on follow me on Instagram at Christianity Yvonne, and I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.